Hi, this is lesson number 30 from our Photoshop training series. This is the continuation of our previous lesson. In this exercise, we are going to learn a little bit more in depth about vanishing point in Photoshop. We will be learning how to create perspective on two different faces using vanishing point. Here I have two images for demonstration. This floral image I am going to place over this packaging. So the first thing, we need to create two-sided perspective. For that we will add vanishing point. This image is selected. We will go to filter and click on vanishing point. By default, create plane tool is selected. We will create the front face perspective. I am just adding roughly, you can make it more accurate. So on this front face we have vanishing point. If we want to continue from this side, simply we will press Ctrl key and click and drag. This is how we have perspective on the other face. If we want, we can adjust holding from the corner this way. Click OK. Select this image, click on select menu, all, go to edit, copy, come back to this image and make sure that you created new layer. So we will open layer palette and add another layer. Even we can rename, enter. This new layer is selected. Once again go back to filter menu, vanishing point, and this is the two face perspective we have. Press Ctrl V. So here we have our image. Click and drag to place this way, and if we want, we can transform now. Press Ctrl T. Just extend this way. Vertically also we can do. We can move down to get the horizontal transform point and just stretch up. Then click OK. Here I took intentionally image with a white background. The reason is because I want to have packaging background in our floral design. If the image is having white background, it is simple. We can change the blend mode. I will apply multiply, and you can see the flower following the perspective of our packaging. In addition to this, if you want to just get the gray or black version of these flower, we can add adjustment layer. Click on create new fill or adjustment, and here we have black and white. The tone is automatically adjusted. We don't need to do anything, but here you notice it is affecting the entire canvas. We need to limit this black and white effect to the flowers. So here we will use clipping. Just click on this button. Now the effect is limited to the flower. Come back to the layers, and here we have now two choices. We can have grayscale floral image, and if we want color, we can just switch off this layer. So this is how we have colorful floral pattern on our packaging. Once again, I have two different images. In this demonstration, I am going to add this carpet on stair, so it will follow the perspective of the stair. Let's create the vanishing point. Click on filter menu, vanishing point. We will start from the floor. Now on this point, if we will press Ctrl key and try to create another perspective, automatically Photoshop will follow the direction of this perspective from left to right, and it will create 90-degree perspective. Press Ctrl key. Look at this. It will follow 0 to 90 degree. I am holding Ctrl key. I think it's more than enough. Click OK. our vanishing point stored, click on this image, select all, edit, copy, select this image, open the layer palette and add new layer for carpet. We can rename, hit enter. The new layer is selected. Go to filter, vanishing point and press Ctrl V. The image is there, but here we need to change the direction. You can see the yellow strips we need on the stair left and right side. To rotate, we will press Ctrl T. When you get this bent arrow, just rotate it. To rotate perfectly, you can press Shift key and click and drag. Now we can expand. That's all. If we want, we can adjust from the side. And click OK. Here we cannot change the blend mode directly. If we will use a multiply or some other blend mode, the stair is visible in the carpet, so it is not realistic. So here we will use a blend if feature to get only the shade from the stair. Go back to normal, double click in this area on the carpet layer, press Alt key to split this slider, click OK. So this is how we get the shadows on our carpet texture and it look realistic. Using vanishing point we can do this also. Here I have another two images. This is beautiful interior scene and we are going to add painting on the wall. It is not really necessary that we need to create vanishing point at the beginning. We can load the image first and do all the thing at once. So here we have our painting. This time we will select in the beginning. So click on select menu, all, edit, copy, select this image and make sure that you created new layer. We can rename, hit enter. The layer is selected, filter, vanishing point. Now add the perspective grid using vanishing point. If the boundary is red, you need to adjust a little bit. Now press Ctrl V. The copied image will be placed. The image is quite bigger in size. We can reduce by pressing Ctrl T. Make it small and just bring it here. Just click and drag to get the transform control and adjust. Click OK. To make it a little bit more realistic, we can use blend if, double click, press Alt key, click and drag and click OK. So this is how in different way you can use vanishing point. You can add perspective grids on the single face and on multiple faces, and you have control to adjust the image under vanishing points. For your practice, you can Google the images. For stair, you can type staircase front view, so you will get a lot of sample for your practice. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you.